Burnout is just in our head because of overthinking too much. I would just like to take this moment to tell how many Gen Z young women wanting to be creators or founders or start their own businesses are out here. Okay, a bunch of you guys. Don't take me wrong. I must say what I have to say right in your face. Sometimes I'm not validating the fact that there could be a legitimate burnout. Sometimes I've seen this with a lot of, because I work with a lot of Gen Z kids. Burnout is because you overthink about not keeping that balance too much. Burnout is just, sometimes I've seen it, and I might get in a lot of trouble for saying this, is sometimes in our head because of overthinking too much. See, there is no balance per se in life. There will be times where your professional life will need more attention. There will be times where your personal life needs more attention. If you want to be successful, there is no shortcut. You have to work hard. You have to work hard on days that you feel like crying. You work hard on days when you feel like you want to be in bed and you want to stay in bed. And you work hard on days where you feel like, oh, tomorrow I have an exam, but I have to also do this. But you do it. Then you learn from it. And maybe you'll fail today, but maybe you'll learn to be better with time management tomorrow. The consistency of things and always showing up for your work, it's your work at the end of the day. It's not somebody else's work, right? You want to do this for your own self. You want to build your own brand. Who is going to put that hard work for you? I know that it becomes a bit, I'm not trying to invalidate that. Of course, burnout is very legitimate, and I had that myself. But now in retrospect that I think about it, I think I just got a bit lazy and a bit too comfortable wanting to create that balance in life. And I realized as a 29-year-old, maybe I'll realize something further in my 30s. Right now, I think creating a balance is a bit overrated. That's my personal opinion. So work hard, put your focus, and do the things that you want to. Literally, Shahrukh Khan has said it, यार. वो 4 घंटे सोता है, वो सारा दिन काम करता है, उसको नहीं ज़रूरत. He has too many crores of rupees and he has enough success and he is an SRK. He doesn't need to work, but he still shows up for his work because he loves it that much. When you're that passionate about what you want to do, you show up no matter what.